Welcome everybody. I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. In the last class, I taught you completing sentences, but I could not complete them, the whole rules. Today, I am going to discuss on some another rules, which will help you to complete the incomplete sentence properly. Today is 14th November and today is also Sunday, so Saturday. So before start completing sentences, we have to learn what is complete sentence. Generally, completing sentence means to complete the subordinate clause according to the principal clause, or to complete the principal clause according to the subordinate clause of a complex sentence. In this case, the structures or formations of clause, complex sentence, and conditional sentence are followed. The knowledge of following grammatical items are necessary to complete the incomplete sentences. The items are clause, phrase, infinitive, present participle form of verb, past participle form of verbs. If you have clear-cut idea about clause, phrase, infinitive, and conjugation of verbs to make an incomplete sentence properly complete. In the last class, I discussed on rule 1 to 14. Today, I am going to start rule 15. Dear students, let's see. I would rather die. If there is would rather in an incomplete sentence, you should follow the following structure: subject plus would rather plus verb, the present form, then after then verb plus verb or noun. So the answer of the following sentence will be, I would rather die than beg. Number B, he would rather drink tea dash. The answer will be, he would rather drink tea than coffee. Now rule 16. I had better dash. If there is had better which indicates unreal past and express present or future tense. So after had better, infinitive to is not used. The following structure must be followed: subject plus had rather plus verb, a present tense of verb or base form of verb. So the answer will be, I had better ring him at once. B, you had better dash. Answer will be, you had better leave the place. Here after had better, ring is used in question number 1. And after had better, leave, the present tense of leave is used. So we can say that had better, after had better, present base form of verb is used. Number rule 17. If there are no sooner had or hardly had or scarcely had in an incomplete sentence, then is used after no sooner had. When is used after hardly had or scarcely had. After had, the past participle verb is used, and after then or when, the past tense of the verb is used. So the answer will be, no sooner had I gone out than he came. Here after had, gone is used, and this is the past participle form of go, and after then came is used, this is the past tense of come. B. Scarcely had reached the station dash. Answer. Scarcely had reached the station when the train left. Here, reached is used after had. This is the past participle of reach, and left is used after when. Left is the past tense of leave. Now rule 18. It is time to dash. If there is it is time, and if it indicates best time, then after it is time plus infinity plus then related words are used. So the answer will be it is time to start the work. Here to is used as infinitive. To start is infinitive. Number B, it is time to dash. It is time to leave the place. Here to leave is infinitive. Rule 19. It is time we dash. If there is it is time in an incomplete sentence, and if indicates the time has already passed, then the structure will be it is time plus subject plus past tense. So the answer will be it is time we went home. Here went is the past tense of go. B, it is time they dash. Answer, it is time they entered, earned their livelihood. Here earned is the past tense of earn. Now rule 20. He tells the matter as if dash. If there is as if or as though in a sentence, after them present present tense plus present plus past. If present tense is used after as if or as though, past tense is used after that, and if past tense is used after as if or as though, then past perfect tense will be needed to complete an incomplete sentence. So here he tells the matter as if he knew it. Here tells present tense, so the past tense is used after as if. Knew is the past tense of knew. No. Then he told the matter as if dash. The answer will be he told the matter as if he had known it. Here told is past tense and the present tense is tell. So after as if past perfect tense is used. Here had known is past perfect tense. So we can say that if there is present tense before as if, after as if past tense will be used. And on the other hand, if there is past tense before as if, then after as if first perfect tense will be used. Now rule 21. If there is let alone in an incomplete sentence, let alone means cannot think, and it always expresses negative meaning. So the answer, the answer will be he cannot pass in the third division, let alone first division. It indicates he doesn't have the quality to make third division, and it is impossible, or it is mere wastage of time to think about first division. Number B, I cannot swim in a kilometer, let alone dash. The answer will be I cannot swim in a kilometer, let alone 10 kilometers. Then rule 22. If there is relative pronoun means who is that in an incomplete sentence, then verb is used according to the antecedent. Here, I saw a man who, here the man is antecedent and who is relative pronoun. So verb will be used according to the man. So the answer will be I saw the man who was catching fish. Number B, this is the house dash that dash. Answer, this is the house that he wants to buy. Here the house is antecedent. Number 20, rule 23, without reading more. If there is without plus gerund at the beginning of a principal clause, then personal subject plus verb will be used after that. So the answer will be without reading more, you cannot pass. Number B, without taking physical exercise. Answer, without taking physical exercise, we cannot keep our body fit. Rule 24. By reading more dash. If there is by plus gerund in incomplete sentence, then subject plus verb is used after that. So the answer will be by reading more, we can learn more. B, by drinking clean water dash. Answer, by drinking clean water, you can keep fit. Now rule 25. If there is if plus present tense, then future tense will be used. Then, so if it rains dash. Answer, if it rains, we shall not go. Here it rains present tense, we shall not go future tense. So the structure will be if plus present tense plus future tense. B, if he wants dash. If he wants, I shall help him. Rule 26. Had I seen him. If had plus subject plus verb, past participle of verb is used, then principal clause will be perfect conditional. So the answer will be, had I seen him, I would have given him the news. Here I would have given is perfect conditional. B, had he wanted dash. Had he wanted, they would have helped him. Here they would have helped, perfect conditional. Rule 27. Rupganj is the place dash. If there is place plus where, then where plus subject plus verb is used. So the answer will be Rupganj is the place where Tarek was born. Number B, a railway station is the place dash. A railway station is the place where trains stop. Now rule 28. Saturday is the time dash. If there is time plus time, then when is will be used. So the structure will be when plus subject plus verb. So the answer will be Saturday is the day when the week begins. Then 1971 is the year dash. Answer, the 1971 is the year when Bangladesh became independent. I have already discussed on rule 15 to 28. That's all. Now individual work. Complete the following sentences. 1. He had better dash. Number 2. Hardly had he reached the school dash. 3. He denotes money as if dash. 4. The old farmer cannot visit his small town, let alone dash. 5. If you play in the rain dash. Now write the answer in your exercise book, and after that match with my answer. Okay. A. He had better go home. Number 2. Hardly had he reached the school when the examination began. Number 3. He donates money as if he were a rich man. 4. The old farmer cannot visit his small town, let alone a big city. 5. If you play in the rain, you will catch cold. I think all of your answer would be correct. Now, homework. Complete the following sentences. Dash by eating rice and bread. B. If he came dash. 3. Had I possessed a vast property dash. 4. 10 p.m. is the time dash. 5. The writer took a cabin which dash. Do them at home, and I'll check them after coronavirus pandemic will be over. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much to join with me. We'll meet on Tuesday next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.